apocalypse truck. Apocalypse truck. All-purpose truck.
What's going on, man?
Good to see you.
Man, long time no see. You too, man. How are you guys?
Hey Jay, what's up with you, my
How much
man?
is this car?
You know what's funny is because Tank had one, so it made me want to get one.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. I think he pulled up to one of his fights, right?
Yeah.
One of those.
Oh, in a
Is it an apocalypse truck? Like one of those
Yeah.
where
The inside is pretty.
The world's
it's
ending?
Look at the inside.
Let's see.
I'm gonna go for you real quick.
Okay.
Let's see Daniel show us the
Yeah,
inside.
shows the apocalypse truck.
Ugh. Bloody Mary.
Damn.
Red rum.
How fast does this thing go? What was that?
Not too fast.
Not so
It's a
fast.
heavy ass car.
Was it like 3 miles a gallon? Something like that, yeah. 3 miles a gallon.
Decorated with this.
I never heard of this brand.
Who drives it the most, you or Andy?
I'll say me.
Hey Jay, you driven this?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
I drove this one today.
Did you?
Yeah.
Got TVs too.
Hey, Jay.